Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. He was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. He was a lawyer, politician, and a great leader. He joined Muslim League in 1913. He demanded a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent. He fought a political war against Hindus and the British. Finally, he got Pakistan on 14th of August 1947. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died on September 11, 1948. His tomb is in Karachi.